Welcome to ETS, our innovative employee tracking solution built with Electron. Today, I'll walk you through both the employee and admin experiences, highlighting our key functionalities and what makes ETS unique. So, first, let's take a look at the employee experience. Upon signing in with the credentials provided by the admin, employees are redirected to the homepage. Here, they can view a visual summary of their daily work hours over the week. Each bar represents the duration worked, and hovering over a bar displays the exact time tracked. Employees can also review detailed records for each day with historical data available for up to past 4 weeks. Now, here the fun begins. The moment an employee clicks on Start Tracking button, their entire screen begins recording, and the video is temporarily saved locally. Once they click Stop Tracking, the recording is finalized, automatically uploaded to the server, and then securely removed from the local system. For flexibility, the recording duration is customizable. You can choose to save hourly chunks, 30-minute segments, or any interval that suits your needs. Now, let's switch over to the admin side, where the power to manage and review work is at your fingertips. Admins have full access to all employee recording. When an admin selects a user, they are presented with a series of bars representing the time tracked by that employee throughout that day. Each bar visually indicates the duration of tracked work session. By hovering over a bar, the admin can view the exact time range it represents. Additionally, clicking on a bar opens the corresponding screen recording, allowing the admin to review the specific time period in detail, giving them complete oversight of work activity. To save time, instead of watching multiple separate recordings, admins can simply click on Get Full Day Video, which compiles all the tracking footage from an entire workday into a single seamless video for easy review. This way, admins can monitor the total hours logged by each employee on a daily basis and review the individual screen recordings as needed. Admins can easily add new employees, ensuring the system scales with your team. One of the most unique features of ETS is live screen monitoring. In the live demo, you will see that when an employee starts tracking, their activity appears instantly in the admin's work diary. And from there, admin can watch the employee screen in real time. Isn't this what you have always wanted? Without notifying the employee, the admin can watch their screen in real time. Should employees stop tracking unexpectedly, the admin receives an immediate notification. In addition to live monitoring, admins can initiate one-to-one calls with employees. When an admin calls, the employee is alerted. Upon accepting, both parties can share video, audio, and screens seamlessly. This enables direct communication whenever needed, ensuring smooth collaboration without any disruptions. Notably, the ongoing screen recording remains uninterrupted during the call, so the entire meeting is also captured. This functionality gives admins robust oversight, ensuring the remote work is both transparent and accountable. Thank you for watching ETS demo. We believe ETS strikes the right balance between empowering employees with clear work tracking and providing admins with the tools to ensure productivity and accountability.